Yeah, we should be good with that. That's great. Operating
Charlie, run 2,000, 250 the pattern altimeter 2900.
Cross Calverton 250 knots, 2000, 2900, quality 10.
Tampa 150, flight present, heaven, vectors for final, it's going to maintain 6,000.
That's 6,000.
Charlie Foxtrot Victor Lima Alpha, Washington Center, clear Charlie Inc., Quebec Mike Airport, area vectors New York, Victor's 3, Kent, Victor's 300, Mara Trap Ramsat, Robert Bravo, Popovich is here, direct friend, direct, maintain 3,000, spent 5,000. One gentleman back to departure is frequency 4723. Quality 10, it's like New York approach 128.12.
New York on 2812, quality 10, good day.
November 1113 Echo, proceed direct. We'll do it. Flying 010. Traffic, I have a problem. I don't know if it's east or west of it.
Condition motel. When they do church, you'll expect it. I will be here on the that's 4-3. That's right.
Right 102,000. Extra.
New York approach call, quality 10, a heavy 1, 3000, descending 1, 2000, we have information hotel.
Quality 10, New York approach level, departure Rover, heading 270, vector ILS, runway 4 right approach.
Depart Rover heading 270, expect ILS 04 right, quality 10 heavy.
Number 8903, heading maintain 7,000. Maintain 7,000, 938. Just confirm the altitude, sir. Scanning in a second. Just confirm the altitude, just checking for scanner 922. Scanner 903, estimate 2931. 2931, scanner 922. Quality 10, 10 out of 1,000, Kennedy altimeter 2992. Correction, 2922.
Down to 9,000, 2922, quality 10 heavy.
Yep, 763, heavy turn landing 260. 260, Vanco 763. November 06, on the cliff to Newark Airport. I'll have a reading for you here in just a moment. I stand by. Clear approach, 900, ready to taxi. Scanner 902, depart Florida, Sierra Alpha X-ray heading 200. Liege, Florida, heading 200, scanning 952. That's 763 to 788, 3000. American, like 185 to 190. From the gun. Another one space, right head in 190. Quality 10 heavy, 788, 7,000.
7,000, quality 10 heavy.
Quality 10 say airspeed.
250 quality 10 heavy.
American 185, say airspeed.
American 185, indicated airspeed is 240.
Okay, maintain 240 forward by. Quality 10, reduce speed to 230.
230 quality 10 heavy.
Thank you. Heading section runway, okay. Runway 32, taxi.
32 taxi.
American 185, turn right heading 250, maintain 3000.
Right heading 250 on descend, I maintain 3000, I'm up on 185.
Quality 10 heavy, so maintain 5000.
5000 quality 10 heavy.
78903, turn left heading about 180, just gonna maintain. American 185, speed your discretion.
I'm up on 185.
Quality 10 heavy, speed your discretion, no greater than 250 for now.
Speed my discretion no greater than 250 quality 10 heavy.
Quality 10 heavy to 18220.
Left 220 quality 10 heavy.
Number 763, 90 miles per minute, turn right heading 010, maintain 3000 until status from the localizer, clear house runway 4 right approach. 3000, clear for the 4 right approach, American 185, turn right heading 310.
Right heading 310, I'm up on 185.
Canada 8903, just maintain 3000 and turn left turn heading over 140.
That's 140 and down 3000. Now it's your turn.
Climbing to 1000 meters. Field approach, Freight Dog 1785. We're looking for clearance to Tampa with hotel.
Contact every tower, please.
Yeah, sorry, didn't you?
Quality County, contact every tower 119.1 unit.
Switching to Tower Kennedy, the quality 10 heavy. Thanks, have a good day. Kennedy Tower, good afternoon, quality 10 heavy, ILS 04, right?
Quality 10 heavy, Kennedy Tower number 2, following American 737 short final. Runway 4 right, RVR1200ft, 2,400, wind 34036, gusts 43, runway 4 right, clear land.
Runway 4 right, clear land, quality 10 heavy.
Field Tower, Freight Dog 1785. I'm looking for clearance to Tampa with hotel.
So 1785, cleared to the Tampa Airport, Kennedy departure, vectors Robbinsville, then it's filed. On the maintain 5000, expect level 32 Jones and set departure. Departure frequency 135.9, squawk 1540.
Yeah, we have to Tampa via Candy 310 in the fall. We now maintain 5,000, we'll expect 320 and 10. Departure frequency 135.19 and West Hawken 1540. Say Belg 1785.
That's 1785, that's 135.9 for the departure frequency.
Well, 135.9.
I got a 1785, be back left, expect runway 4 left for departure, push and start inbound, discussion route taxi.
We'll expect 4 left, we'll push and start, we'll call you ready to taxi. Say Belg 1785.
Back in 185, welcome to Kennedy. Tax. I should continue, so then hold short left, hold up. Hold short forward up on the 185. Back at 185, taxi turn on via Foxtrot Alpha, Foxtrot, and Alpha. Hold short runway 4 left for now. Foxtrot Alpha, hold short 4 left on 185.
Approaching 04 right.
Approaching minimums. Minimums 100, 50, 30, 20, 10.
Last one able for short of 4 left, quality 10 heavy.
American 185 taxi to the ramp via left Alpha. That's all 431 coming up on 185. Well, you can either find taxi to ramp via Foxtrot Alpha, Foxtrot, Bravo, Delta, Bravo, Delta, Charlie. Cross runway 4 left at Foxtrot, hold short runway 13 right at Delta.
Alright, Foxtrot Alpha, Foxtrot, Bravo, Delta, Charlie, hold short of 31 right on Delta, quality 10 heavy.